If your front sprocket is stuck like this, stop. Most people find it the hard way. There's a much easier way, especially on e-bikes. Here's exactly how to do it without struggling. First, let's get the sprocket cover removed. All you need is an 8mm socket and zip them right off. This is where most people struggle. Popping off the old sprocket. Simple. Grab a large flathead screwdriver, wrap a towel around it, put it in front of the frame but behind the sprocket, and easily pop it out. No special tools required. No hammering, no fighting, just the right setup. Now before we install the new sprocket, we have to swap over some of the rubber O-rings and steel washers. Let's do it. Pretty significant difference between the old one and a brand new one. Now remember the order of installation for the rubber O-ring and the steel washer. It is the steel washer first, followed by the rubber O-ring. This is on both sides. Now let's reassemble it. All we got to do is slide the front sprocket on, give it a little taps with the flathead screwdriver. Then let's not forget to lubricate the O-ring. And we can go ahead and slide on this front sprocket cover. And last, don't forget to tighten down those 3 bolts. A couple Ooga Doogas should do it, but we're going to be a little bit more precise, and we can torque them down to 4.4 foot-pounds or 53 inch-pounds. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.